Hey guys, I'm super excited because guess what? I have partnered up with Merach and I am finally that girl who has almost her own in-home gym. So I'm super excited about that, y'all, because your girl has to get her fitness on every single day. So I want to introduce to you all my new beauty. Hold on, let me show y'all the features, y'all, because I absolutely love this. And look at this, y'all. This is super easy, but let me tell y'all how much I love it. So you can literally have this equipment and move it easily to whatever location you need it. I mean, if you have an in-home gym, then you'll probably just keep it stationary. But for me personally, I don't have that quite yet. So whenever I need to bring this out and I'm able to like move everything out of the way, get all the tables situated, I don't even need to bring my men upstairs yet, y'all, because I can do it by myself. I can keep everything situated. So I have been using this machine for the last few weeks, just trying to get acclimated with working out at home and keeping myself together, having a fitness strategy. So I kind of just want to share with you guys how it works. So it does plug into a wall. Let me show y'all. But you can literally prop your computer, not your computer, your iPad, your phone, your whatever, your little music player or whatever, on to the stand and set up for your fitness goals, what level you want to do. There's levels 1 through 16, and you can just set up your fitness stuff. You, like I said, you can track it in the app just to see. Okay guys, so I also wanted to make sure I showed how their adjustment button and all the features that it has, this connects to their app. So you're able to select different rowing courses on their app specifically, where you don't have to go in and manually change anything. It'll do it directly from there. So everything kind of connects and you're able to see the levels, you're able to see the time and all these other amazing features. But do y'all hear that? Because I'm pretty sure you don't. This machine is silent. So it does not disturb the family. It's not making all that noise. Everybody can still coexist in the same house or in the same space doing different activities without you disturbing them with your workout. So I absolutely love that aspect. But like I said, you want to make sure you get that app, y'all. You want to make sure you get that app connected as soon as you put your machine together. I'll put the app across the screen. This is something that I have implemented. After the girls go to school in the morning, it's so much easier for me to do most of my fitness stuff before I start my day, especially when I have a jam-packed day. So it just keeps my mind focused and, you know, keeps me motivated throughout my day. Especially since I am much busier, I can literally do my workouts at home. So this is kind of what I like to do. So I would definitely encourage y'all to check them out. I'm gonna have them linked below.
This looks absolutely amazing. I know I will definitely be getting my use out of it because, you know, we were building a gym in the house anyways. So this is a perfect tool for us to use because we get our cardio in there. It helps with our core. It helps with a lot of things, for real. I believe on the manual it says everything that it helps the body with. But I love it. And even with me, because I already tried it, babe, I can stretch out. You know, guys know I'm like 6'5", 6'6", so I can actually stretch all the way out on here. So
okay, so let's show them how you do it.
Okay, all right. All right, guys. So y'all gonna get on here, right? Yeah, this, like I said, this is literally perfect for cardio. So I do these in the morning. Also before I like get ready to, like after I do a run, I come back and I burn out with something extra tight. Also, they got the latches where you can do that and just make sure it's firm and steady right here, so you can get a good grip. And you guys just gonna boom. It's just like you rolling. And you just snatch back with all your might. You snatch back hard. You come back. You snatch back. And when you burning out, you just gotta go. Because if you don't want to like do a lot of running And a lot of just, the stuff for cardio, and you want to tackle a lot of different muscles in cardio at the same time, this is literally the perfect thing to do for real. Perfect. So, yeah, man, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to take off your video.
So yes, y'all, definitely check them out. I'm gonna have them linked in my description box. Like, they're literally amazing, like I said. So I don't want y'all to miss out on this opportunity. And when I share something, y'all already know I really support it. So go ahead and check them out.